Hello, my name is Nick Miller. I'm a technical architect at CDW. Today I'll be demonstrating a Cisco TelePresence One Button to Push emulator that I have created. One Button to Push, or OBTP, is a great feature of Cisco TelePresence that allows end users to easily join meetings with just the tap of a finger. OBTP requires a fair bit of infrastructure to work, and while that's fine and dandy for a production rollout, it's quite a bit of overhead for a simple demo. Hence the OBTP emulator. The OBTP emulator is a simple web page that links directly with a Cisco TelePresence endpoint to push an OBTP meeting in a manner similar to Cisco's TelePresence management suite. This allows for simple demos of OBTP without all of the overhead. To use OBTP emulator, simply open the HTML file. An internet connection is required as it pulls a number of JavaScript libraries and other files in remotely. Next, you need to fill in the fields. First, we have the IP address field here. After you've filled in the IP address field, which we'll go ahead and do, you'll see a helpful little notice here. This notice reminds you that you need to visit the endpoint's management web page at least once and accept the endpoint's self-signed SSL certificate in order for scheduling to work. If you don't, this OBTP push will silently fail. So we'll see here that our browser warns us that it's insecure because that is an unknown issuer and is self-signed, which is normal for a TelePresence endpoint. We confirm that exception. We see the management web page. We need to do nothing else. We can simply come back here and set our meeting title. So we'll go ahead and call this a OBTP emulator demo. Next, you need to set the details of your meeting in terms of time. There's a helpful date range selector if you want to do something fancy, but by default it will schedule a meeting just a few minutes into the future. Last, you simply need to fill in the details of the SIP URI you wish to call, for example, a Cisco meeting. Then you can set the meeting with this button. You'll get prompted for the credentials of the endpoint. And you'll see a notice that the meeting data was sent. Assuming everything has come off correctly, you'll then see on the on-screen display of the endpoint the meeting details. And on the Touch 10, you'll also see the meetings button has appeared, and you'll see that it indicates there is one meeting available, and you'll be able to join that meeting. Thanks for watching.